Γεια σας, καλημέρα. Με λένε Στάλο. Today we are going to talk about a very useful word in the Greek language, the word ΜΟΛΙΣ. The word ΜΟΛΙΣ is both a conjunction and an adverb, and it has three meanings. The first meaning is just. Μόλις τελείωσα το βιβλίο. I just finished the book. In English, it would be more correct to say, I have just finished the book, but in everyday language, we can say, I just finished the book. Μόλις ετοιμαζόμουν να σε πάρω. I was just getting ready to call you. Να σε πάρω is an idiomatic expression meaning to call you. Να σε πάρω τηλέφωνο. Or we can use the word μόλις without a verb. Μόλις τώρα, just now. The second meaning is as soon as. Μόλις πάω θα το φροντίσω. As soon as I go, I will take care of it. Σου τηλεφώνησα μόλις το έμαθα. I called you as soon as I found out. And the third meaning is barely. Ήμουν μόλις 10 χρονών όταν φύγαμε. I was barely 10 years old when we left. Μόλις που καταλάβαινα τι έλεγε. I barely understood what he was saying. When we use μόλις before a verb, like for example, καταλάβαινα here, we usually attach the word που. If we don't, it may get a little confusing. It may sound like we're trying to say as soon as. So the word που makes it clear. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Ευχαριστώ. Γεια σας.